Some of my friends requested how to compare two tables in Microsoft Excel. In my first video, I have explained VLOOKUP. Now, some of uses I will elaborate. You can compare two tables to get the unique values, and you will see that which value is not unique in those two tables. So here we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. So I prepared this one for demonstrating that how to compare two tables in using Microsoft Excel VLOOKUP function. So here table 1 we have employee code, employee name, gender and date of birth. So we will compare from table 2. Table 2 will also contain the same things. It's going open now. I will zoom in so that you will be able to see it clearly. So what we will do here, you have employee name, gender, same table, but I have some value I have deleted in order to demonstrate that VLOOKUP function comparing two tables. So what it is not necessary you will get the same data when you are migrating from the ERP or somewhere else. Maybe this data will be different, but you must have one unique value. From that you can compare with the other tables. So what we will do, I will select all by pressing Control Shift and left arrow key and then down arrow key. So now we will select all. After selecting this, just I will copy, right click and copy, and we will go to the next table, table 1, and we will paste it like in the same space. We have to leave 3 column like E, F, G, H. We are leaving it for where we will compare. Now we will paste it. Now what we will do, just arrange it in the proper manner so that it will be better understanding. We will understand. So now we will in E column we will write check 1, and we will write here check 1, and G column check 2. So here what we will do, we will in check 1 we will write VLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be the table 1's employee ID. So we will select that employee ID. Then the table array would be like employee ID from table 2. So we will select from header H1. We click H1, H. Then we will select entire column and comma. Then we need the first record, that is employee code. So we will put it 1 here. And comma. Now we need a exact match. We select false, and we will close the bracket and enter. So now we have the value check 1 from the table 1. Now again we will use VLOOKUP, and this time we will select employee ID from table 1, table 2, comma. Again the same process we will follow. Here we put the comma. Now we will select employee ID from header A. We will select from we will just click on the A, and we will select entire column. Now we need again need one value 1, like first column, and we need exact match. Then we will select the false and close the bracket and enter. Now what we will do in the middle column, what we will do, just you have to compare from table 1 and table 2. Employee ID from table 1 and table 2. What we will do, just equal to sign we will use, and employee code, employee ID from table 1 minus employee ID for table 2. Now we will enter. Now what we will do, we will select all 3 values, and we will go to the when it will change to plus sign, and we will double click, and it will be copy. Now it is already copied till the end. Now what we will do, from check 1 we will select, we will use down arrow key. We will write table 2 here, so that it will be we will understand that this is table 1 we are going to compare with. Now what we will do, we will select from check 1 until the end, using down arrow keys in the keyboard, and we will press the control shift. By pressing the control shift, we will press the left arrow key, and now it got selected entirely. Now what we will do, go to the data, and we will select the sort. Here in sort, the sort by, we will select check 1. Just see that sort by, yeah, in the OK. Now it has already been sorted as per the check 1 value. Now we will again we will do the same with table 2. Now we will select the check 2, down arrow key, control shift, and then we will right arrow key. Now again we will sort it. Now this time sort by check 2. We'll select an OK. Now all the matching value will be on the top, and not matching, if it is not matching with each other, it will be going down. Now we'll scroll down. Now you can see that NA, all the NA in table 1 is not matching from table 2. So till 0, when it is value is 0, you can see that all match the value. Now what we will do, from NA, all the NA from table 1, we'll highlight it. We will highlight, and we will put it in some other place, so that in order to check why it is not available in table 2. And the same as NA value in the table 2, it is that is not matching with table 1. So we will keep it in a different place, and we will check again later why this value is not in table 1. So this way we can do it, the comparing with the two tables, and we will know that which value is matching or which value is not matching. Accordingly, we will remove, and we will check those value from why it is not appearing in table 1, and why table 1 value is not appearing table 2. So if you like this video, just like this, just press the like button, and also subscribe my channel in order to get the future video.